polynomials have specific end behavior dependent on two things. The things that you want to look at are the degree and the leading coefficient. With the degree, what you're looking for is whether or not it's odd or even. With the leading coefficient, what you're looking for is whether it's positive or negative. If you have a degree, so I'm going to draw my end behavior chart like this. We'll put degree up here. And this will be leading coefficient. Okay, so if the degree is odd, it looks like a line. If it's even, it looks like a parabola. This is just at the end. So we're talking about just the ends. We don't care about the middle, okay? So if the degree is odd and the leading coefficient is positive, it looks like a line that has an upward slope, so like this. If the degree is odd and the leading coefficient is negative, what do you think it's going to look like? Instead of a line that's going up, it'll look like a line that's going down. Good. If it's even, remember I said it's supposed to look like a parabola, so if it's even and it's positive, it should be what? So a parabola that's a happy face parabola. If it's negative leading coefficient, it's going to be what? Sad face. Excellent. Now, there's a specific way we write end behavior. So you write as x goes to negative infinity, y or f of x goes to a certain way, and as x goes to positive infinity, y or f of x goes a certain way. Now, you always have two statements. This is one statement, like x goes to negative infinity, comma, y goes to something. X goes to positive infinity, y goes to something. You're always going to have two ends. You have a left end and a right end. So all of these will have those. We're going to fill in the other part. So this is x goes to negative infinity, y goes to something. As x goes to positive infinity, y goes to something. Okay, so when we're talking about x values, is x the horizontal or the vertical? Is x the horizontal or the vertical?
Obviously
it's the horizontal. So if x is the horizontal, when we're talking about x going to negative infinity, is it left or right?
Negative infinity, left.
Left. So is x going left this way, where is this pointing? Up or down?
Wait, up.
So as x is going left, so to negative infinity this way, this is going up or down? Down. So then you would write negative infinity. As x is going to positive infinity to the right, where is this pointing? Up or down? Up. So you get positive infinity. Over here, as x is going to negative infinity, so as x is going to the left, where is this pointing?
Down. Down.
As x is going left this way, it's pointing up. As x is going to the right, where is this going? Down. The even ones are easier. Why? Because these two both point, they point the same way, right? If they're both pointing up, then you put positive infinity, positive infinity. If they're both pointing down, you put what?
Negative infinity.
Negative infinity, negative infinity.